ladies in pink. All right. Seconds. Mic check. Everybody watching the show, can everybody just come all the way up towards the red rope on the ground? Just come all the way up towards the red rope on the ground. You stand. Oh my God, you remind me of my father. Very disappointed. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, showtime in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Drums keep pounding.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Everybody, let's practice clapping for no reason. Everybody say woo! Hey, not bad, not bad. Look, at the end of the show, I will be balancing on this platform, on this tube, balancing and juggling with 3 razor sharp knives. Oh, by the way, when I do this, everybody make a lot of noise. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I want to make sure everything works. You see, for the grand finale of the show, balancing on this platform, juggling the knives. No, I did say I'll use knives. Let me show you the knives, guys. This is the knife. Yeah, just fake it. It's fine. I'm used to it. Look, guys, I'll do a warm-up trick. If this works, everybody clap, cheer, scream. No, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. Wait. It only gets better. Ladies and gentlemen, I will balance this knife on my face. Wait, kids, let me ask. Like this or like this? Oh, like this. Oh, thank you very much, kid. Why make it easy? All right. If this works, oh my God. If this works, everybody clap, cheer, scream. Let me know you're alive. Wait. Everybody, let's count together. Everybody count. 5. I'm doing it. Oh my God, clap everybody, it hurts, it really hurts. All right. You really like cheering, don't you? Wait, I'll give you something to cheer about. Watch this, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, camera. That'll be $10.